Hi everyone! Lately, I've been seeing a lot of links claiming you can download an Axiom Trade app or join an official Telegram bot. I wanted to make this video to clear the air and keep your data safe. The truth is simple. Axiom Trade does not have an official mobile app or a Telegram bot at this time. If you come across a download link for an Axiom Trade Android or iOS app, please avoid it. These are fake. By downloading these unofficial files, you're risking your personal information, your account security, and potentially your funds. The same goes for Telegram bots. Scammers often use these to trick you into giving away your private keys or passwords. So, how should you be trading? The safest and only official way is through the Axiom Trade website. It is fully responsive, meaning it works perfectly on your phone's browser, just like an app would. You get all the features, real-time updates, and most importantly, you stay within a secure environment that you can trust. I recommend bookmarking the official website right now so you never accidentally click on a fake search result. Also, make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled. If we all stay vigilant and report these fake apps when we see them, we can keep the community safe. Stay smart and happy trading.